Alright guys, hello. I am back with another video. My name is Adam here. And today I want to make a 4-year special video about this 52-inch, not this fan, but the Aloha breeze in the living room that used to be there and been replaced with the Breeze Armitage Builder series. Well, today's been 4 years since I've recorded the 52-inch Aloha Breeze in the living room. So I'm going to show you all this video that I recorded back in April of 2020. I was like 14 years old back then. And of course I even recorded that video during the COVID lockdown and all that. But yeah, 4 years later, guys. 4 years. And the Aloha Breeze is still gone. Nothing has been changed yet. So, enjoy, guys, and be making more videos soon. Goodbye.